This was it, right? Yes, it was. If you notice, this is the second level of the game.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the Game Engine series, the series where I show you my game engine development quantum. Today we're still remaking the ZeroSquares game and we're still working on making the tile maps. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Let's talk about the design choice. Are we going to make a tile map editor? The answer is no, because we don't have time to do that. We can do it. We're using IMGUI and I do have an IMGUI series. You can check it down in the comments. We want to iterate over the core engine. We don't want to make like external applications right now, like the tile map editor. That's not going to be the concerns of today's episode. What we are going to do is using another tool in order to create the tile maps and to create the tile sets and then using them into Quantum. The tool that we are going to use to create tile maps is Tiled, a free open source tile map editor. We're going to use LibreSprite, which is a free fork of Asprite. Links are going to be in the comments. Now we're going to make the game levels. In order to do this, we are going to enter gameplay and screenshot the levels in order to make them using tiled. And for the sake of time, I've already done this. We're going to open LibreSprite in order to make the tile set and then make the levels using tiled.
Okay, so now I've opened up LibreSprite in order to make the tile set. We're going to take the final of the game as a reference. We are going to have like the players, we do have the blocks and the shallow blocks, and we do have colored frames and the non-colored frames. They're all presented in the final level. So let's make the players. I'm going to make all the tiles and then we're going to continue talking. So we hit new 64x64 canvas and okay, I've made all the players. Let's make the colored frames. We're going to export it as a PNG. So, and
after we've created the tile set, now we are going to import it into Tiled and make a project for all our levels and make all the tile maps that we want. Let's continue.
Okay, so let's open up Tiled. Let's open a file of project, ZeroSquares Remake. Okay, new tile set. Here. Now remember that we created the canvas. It was 64 by 64. And we had 4 tiles per row. Then 64 over 4 is going to be 3218. So each tile is going to be 18 width, 18 height, no margin, no spacing, no nothing. And we're going to save it here. So save, and it's ruined. Let's go new tile set, have the same tile set, and 16 by 16, and voila. It was not 18, it was 16. We're going to create a couple of tile maps. So we file new tile map. The tile size is going to be 16 by 16, so we're not going to make the same mistake. So okay, this is like going to be the level. Okay, so first of all, we take the yellow tile and we do, because everything should be white, right? Okay, take the fill tool, fill everything with white. The first level, it was something like this, right? We had this and we had the framing here. This was it, right? Yes, it was. This is level 1. Control S, and I'm going to call it 0 squares. Remake level 1. Save. Let's create a new level. File, new map. 16 by 16, 30 by 20. Fill tool. This white. We go to the brush. For example, 1. This one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we let a 1 like here, and then we go to somewhere like there. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, for example. And let's go here. If you notice, this is the second level of the game.
I made up a couple of levels together. I'm going to continue them on my own. They're really going to take time. I'm going to make sure they are going to be finished before next Thursday. Next time we are going to polish them, add the colliders. It's not only about the levels because we need to add colliders. We might add some animations. If you have liked this content, smash that like button, leave a comment down below, and as always, stay tuned for the next video. See you in the next time.